So we're making use of Rosewater 80%. So today we are making hyaluronic vitamin B3 facial serum. So right now we are measuring out our Rosewater. You can use distilled water if you want to, but we prefer to use the Rosewater because of the scent, and it has skin benefits for lightening. So the next thing we're using is niacinamide 10%. So after adding your niacinamide, you stir it till it's very cleared before you add your phase 2. And now your phase 2 contains glycerin, which is 2%. Then you add 1,3 propandioal oil, which is 4%. The next thing you add is your German plus 0.5%. You can use any extract at all, but today we're using tea tree extract, which is 2%, and jojoba oil 0.5%. So what you do is stir it very well. Make sure everything is properly mixed before adding your hyaluronic acid, which is the last thing we're adding right now, our hyaluronic acid powder. We're using 1% of our hyaluronic acid powder. So we're going to stir it in. So after adding your hyaluronic acid powder, the next thing you do, you mix and cover and let it sit for 3 hours before you start using it.